Hi there, welcome to my video on the Thinkific Empire theme edge style. This video specifically focuses on the edge style because I want to sort of explain and illustrate the advantages of the edge style versus the other styles in this theme. The idea is that by sort of going through this and kind of breaking this style down, you will have a better sense of whether this style really works for your business or not. The important thing to consider is that every business is different. Every business's niche is different. Every business's target audience is different as well. So you really want to hone in on which style really represents your audience, represents your brand, and also represents your personality. So let's begin. So as you see, the edge style is a very much more lighter color than the rest of the choices in this theme. The edge style is a yellow, or I'd say like light yellow, light brown, however you like to kind of think about color. And I think this is important to consider, what does yellow mean for you? Like when you look at this like light yellow, does it represent, bright? Does it represent sun? Because typically yellow is associated with sun and warmth and brightness. And so as you can tell, this first screenshot here on the right showcases a course and a creator whose business is all about teaching you about podcasting. And so you can see that this yellow really works for this kind of business because podcasting is very creative, it's very bright, it's very warm. It's really a way of sort of connecting to your listeners. And if we want to continue down to see why this edge style really works well for this business, look at the image and banner image here. This image really just conveys this kind of creative warmth and brightness and really sort of listening that is really part of the whole style. And then this style really goes to help you then showcase to your audience, what is the benefit of this course? And really digging deep into allowing you to share those testimonials and sharing those sorts of benefits so that your audience and potential customers are interested in buying. And I like that this theme and style really gives you the opportunity to highlight learning outcomes. This is really important since online courses do have very typically low completion rates. And so this sort of helps you show your audience very specifically and very concretely what they will be able to do. Because if it's not clear what they're able to do and what they're able to accomplish, it becomes less likely of an interested product for them to buy. And then I like the opportunity that you can use video and insert videos and embed videos here, because I think this style really is about kind of blending different colors, but also different images that really complement each other well. And then if you think about the most important part is to get people to buy. And I like that in this style, you really can highlight all the features and benefits of your brand, of your business, and of your course and product. And then focus in on the payment details towards the end and sort of the countdown. Because oftentimes buyers are very easily dissuaded when they see a shopping cart and price point first. That always sort of is a psychology of human behavior that we get intimidated when we see price. So that putting it further down the page makes it more attractive to your potential customers. And then you have the opportunity to then continue to add more images and place, important key information about bonuses that you're going to offer. And then last is your testimonial section. And I think this really goes well here because your students and potential customers have already seen everything that you have about the course and the benefits, and now they really want to hear from people who have bought your product. And then lastly, I like that the course curriculum section, the color contrast of the yellow at the top, and with here is this light pink, light red. It's very creative, very fun, and it really gets into the heart of what does this course look like. And then further down, the students and potential customers who are landing on your page have the opportunity to learn more about you as the instructor. And then at the last of this is where it's really powerful, is that there's an opportunity to upsell, to sort of encourage and show your potential customers what other solutions that you have to offer them, what other solutions you have that can solve their biggest burning pain points. And then the offer again is available at the end to say, well, you can buy again. So this is sort of the idea behind the theme and the style, and why it may be great for very creative and very fun brands. That this look is a very kind of like, thinking about podcasting, thinking about music, thinking about video, and that these types of industries, artistic industries, that really go well with a very business focused look in the Edge style. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have questions.